Good evening, everyone. We're going to be working on differential equations today. Let's look right at number 1. How many solutions can you find for y prime equals 0? Well, let's think about that. What could I have taken the derivative of and gotten 0? Oh, any constant, that's right. So it could be y equals 3, y equals 4, y equals 72. And let's just sum that up with y equals c. Excellent. Number 2, how many solutions can you find where y prime equals 1 and y prime equals y? Well, two different questions, so let's break it down first. The one here, y prime equals 1, that means that the slope was 1. So we'll go y equals x. It could be y equals x plus 1. Y equals x plus 2, and on and on. So let's sum that up with y equals x plus k. Throw a different constant in there. Now, where does the derivative equal the original? Oh, that's right. Those awesome exponentials. So looking at 1 and 2, it's saying how many solutions. There's really infinite solutions that we can run here. So let's just slide this down here. Find at least 4. We would talk about these here, 1, 2, 3. I think we got 4. Here, we'll add one more. Y equals x plus 6. All of them are linear. All of them have the slope of 1. Talking about the y equals e to the x, we could do y equals 2e to the x, y equals 3e to the x. Any one of those would work. And we're just doing an exponential with a constant in front. So now, going through, looking at this, now we're going to go for a much specific one because it's saying goes through this specific point. Starting out, if the derivative y prime equals 1, we know that that means the original was y equals x plus c, right? You're not here to say right. Then we're going to plug in the point. Here's x, here's y, just as a reminder. 7 equals 5 plus c, so c equals 2. Y equals x plus 2. Now that's done. And then general solution, y prime equals x times y is y equals ae to the x squared over 2. So you're going to go through the same process. Y equals ae to the x squared over 2. You're going to plug in your point of 3 and 0. So e to the 0 is going to be 1, and I'm left with a. So y equals 3 e to the x squared over 2. Now we're going to go through a couple more examples. First, finding the general solution to dy dx equals sine x plus 2. So you will start with taking the antiderivative. So y will equal negative cos x plus 2x plus c. Make sure that that c is there for your general solution. And then you're going to plug in your point 3, 5. Let me give myself some space. There it is. 5 equals negative cos of 3 plus 2 times 3 plus c. You'll go ahead, type that in, and you're going to end up with c equals negative 1.99. So you would write y equals negative cos x plus 2x minus 1.99. Perfection. Okay, so we've got 2 to practice here. I'd like you to try these, and then we will go over them next time. So just work through the steps, plug in to solve for c, and have a great night.